Here are 10 reasons why taking a motorcycle safety course is a smart move. Number 1, learn proper techniques. Riding a motorcycle requires specific skills beyond driving a car. A safety course helps you master essential techniques such as throttle control, smooth braking, and precise turning, ensuring you're prepared for the complexities of the road. This will also help you develop fundamental riding skills like balancing, cornering, and braking under expert guidance. Number 2, boost confidence. Riding a motorcycle can be intimidating, especially for beginners. A structured course offers a safe space to practice and build confidence, enabling you to feel more comfortable and capable when riding on your own. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned rider, you'll gain confidence handling a motorcycle in various scenarios. Number 3, increase awareness. Motorcycles are less visible to other drivers, making it crucial for riders to be hyper aware of their surroundings. Safety courses train you to spot potential hazards early, such as distracted drivers or sudden road obstacles, and how to react appropriately. This will really go a long way in helping you identify threats and hazards early and keeping you safe on your bike. Number 4, obtain a license. Many states and regions accept completion of a motorcycle safety course as part of the licensing process. This can simplify the path to getting your motorcycle endorsement while ensuring you meet safety standards. Now, if your goal is just to obtain your Class M, you might be pleasantly surprised of how much you'll learn when signing up for a motorcycle safety course. I highly recommend it. Number 5, improve defensive driving. Riding defensively means anticipating potential dangers and taking proactive steps to avoid them. In a safety course, you'll learn strategies like maintaining safe following distances and positioning yourself to be more visible to other drivers, just like a lot of the information I cover in my videos here on this channel. Hone your skills to ride defensively and avoid common mistakes made by other road users. Number 6, lower insurance rates. Insurance companies often value riders who take safety seriously. Completing a safety course can qualify you for discounts on your motorcycle insurance, helping to save you tons of money in the long run. If you feel like you're already a master at riding bikes and you have nothing left to learn, this can be a reason to sign up for a safety course in and of itself. Number 7, understand motorcycle maintenance. A well-maintained bike is a safer bike. Safety courses often include tips on routine maintenance, such as checking tire pressure, inspecting brakes, and keeping the chain properly lubricated. Learn basic upkeep tips to ensure your bike runs smoothly and safely. Number 8, practice in a controlled environment. Learning to ride on open roads can be risky. If anything goes wrong, there's no pause button out there and nobody to help you. Safety courses provide a controlled, low-pressure environment where you can practice skills and make mistakes without putting yourself or others in danger. This is one of the best perks of signing up for a motorcycle safety course, having the ability to train in a safe, controlled setting rather than learning out on busy streets with other motorists and everybody speeding and honking at you to get out of the way. Number 9, enhance group riding skills. Group rides are a popular way to enjoy motorcycling, but they require coordination and communication, and ensuring that you're with the right group in the first place. Safety courses often cover the etiquette and best practices for riding with others, ensuring everyone has a safe and enjoyable experience. If you ride with others or plan on riding with others in the future, make sure and learn how to do so responsibly and with good communication. And make sure you check out some of my videos about group rides so you can learn how to identify other good, responsible, safety-minded riders to even consider riding with in the first place. You don't want to go for a group ride with some irresponsible, reckless idiots. It can get you killed even if you're doing everything right. Number 10, save lives. The ultimate goal of a motorcycle safety course is to equip you with the knowledge and skills to avoid accidents. By riding smarter and safer, you not only protect yourself, but also contribute to a safer environment for all road users. This is the dream. Everybody working, coexisting, cooperating with one another out on the roads so we can all get to our destinations, friends, family, and loved ones in one piece. This includes you on your motorcycle. And believe it or not, the purpose of most of these good safety courses are for you to survive on your motorcycle, not for you to get your license or endorsement. And guess what? As a motorcycle safety instructor who's not only certified by Total Control, but MSF, that is my purpose as well, to teach you how to ride a motorcycle safely and not die on the roads on your bike. I want to teach you all the tips, education, and skills I possibly can to give you the best chance of survival survival. Ultimately, the knowledge and skills you gain could save your life or someone else's. And bonus reason number 11 is to meet cool people. Whether it's your fellow classmates taking the class alongside of you or some awesome instructors that you get to learn from, you'll have the opportunity to meet some really cool, special people when you take your motorcycle safety course. I've had students during the past who met for the first time during the course, and to this day, over 10 years later, they're still really good friends and go for rides constantly with one another. That's a really cool thing to see. Each one of these points underscores the value of taking the time to invest in your safety and skill as a motorcyclist. Are you considering enrolling in a motorcycle safety course? Drop a comment below and let us know what you're thinking. And remember, if you have the option of learning on your own or signing up for a course, I highly encourage you to sign up for the right motorcycle safety training. But make sure and do your homework and do your research. Not all these trainings are created equal, and not all these instructors out there are created equal. Make sure you find a top-notch recommended training course with top-notch instructors. Some of these people don't really care about you and they're just out there to collect a paycheck. So what if you did decide to sign up for a motorcycle safety course and you can't wait to get started on two wheels? But the thought of riding a motorcycle through curves and potentially crashing is something that you're afraid of and holding you back. Well, then make sure and watch this video next to learn how to stop crashing a motorcycle in curves, where I give you 3 key tips that'll help keep you on the road, keep you from crashing, and help you make it home in one piece.